Together with me, Miss Miranda, here are some chemical reactions or chemical changes in everyday life. You see these all the time. Fire, combustion. Rust, when wind and water rust metal. Digestion, in your stomach. When you eat food, your stomach digests, it breaks the food so your body can use it. That is a chemical change. Photosynthesis, plants making food. Batteries are a chemical change because batteries are chemicals. Fermentation, making wine, making yogurt, using bacteria. Washing your hands, it kills the bacteria. Those cannot come back to life after. It's irreversible. And baking or cooking, we all know this one. This is the chemical change we looked at the most. But similar to rust, rust is not a chemical change from heat. This is not from heat. This is not from heat. This is bacteria. This one is acid. And this one is wind and air. So it can be other things as well. Today I would like someone to read both of these together. Let's have Panda, go ahead and start us off. Today, read both of them.
Today we will review chemical and physical changes. To take a quiz about chemical and physical changes, as well as states of matter.
Very good. This word you wouldn't have seen before, it's quizzes. That's just the name of the website we take our quiz on. It's called quizzes. Okay, excellent reading, Panda. Thank you so much. So, homework. I will stop sharing, and who would like to show us what their apples look like now so we can see the difference? Let's start with Pony. Pony, go ahead and hold up one apple of each so we can see them side by side.
Yeah. When my apple is being cut, it looks like this. This is my apple with lime juice.
Nice. And what about your one without?
This is my apple with no lime juice. It is turning into brown.
Excellent. Okay, great observation, Pony. Let's take a look at another one. All right, Thomas, go ahead. Let's see your apples.
Here is my apple with no lime juice. It has many brown dots.
Okay.
And here is my apple with lime juice, and it look like new.
Very nice. Excellent. It looks brand new. Exactly. Let's have, do we have one more person that wants to share their apples with us? How about Robert? Go ahead, Robert. Let's see both your apples.
The apple with lime juice is still the same, but the apple without lime juice is a bit browner.
A bit more brown. Okay, very nice. So now that we've talked about these, does anyone have an idea about why? Why is the apple in the air brown and why is the other apple in the lime juice not brown? Jack, what do you think?
Because the apple sucked up the lemon juice.
That could be part of it. That's not a bad idea, Jack. Thomas?
I have one guess.
I think this trend is the same as rust, and the lime juice is the same as vinegar. If the apple with the lime juice get brown, the lemon juice clean it, and the one that don't have lemon juice is still get brown.
Excellent. Thomas, you are correct. It's not clean though, it's protect. So I'll write it here. The lime juice protects the apple from what? Potato, what do you think?
Wrinkled.
Not from wrinkled. What is turning the apple brown?
Not.
No. What is turning the apple brown? Anyone, go ahead.
Air.
Robert, air. Lime juice protects the apple from air.
Can I say my idea now?
The apple with no lime juice turns brown because why? Why does the apple with no lime juice turn brown? Let's hear from someone new. Potato, why does the apple with no lime juice turn brown?
Because it don't have the lime or lemon juice protect.
All right, the apple with no turns brown because it is not protected from what? Protected
From air.
Excellent. What do you guys think? Chemical or physical change? Hand up. Susie, go ahead. Susie, chemical or physical change, and why?
I think it is a chemical change.
Why? Why do you think it's a chemical change?
I think because
Is it reversible or irreversible? Irreversible.
it is irreversible.
Very good. It is a chemical change because it is irreversible. So tonight, last night's homework, you made a chemical change by air. This weekend, your chemical change will be by heat. So 2 different ways to get a chemical change. Any questions about the chemical change you saw in your homework? Leo, did you have a question?
But if it has the lime juice protected, it's still a chemical change, but because the lime juice only protected from the air to get it don't brown, does not be brown. But if in the real life it do not have anything to clean, so it will be irreversible.
Yes, so the lemon juice or the lime juice is not cleaning it. If I put lime juice on this apple, it will not turn white. It will still be brown because it is irreversible. The lime juice is protecting the apple. So the lime juice is stopping the change from happening. It's stopping the change in the first place. It's stopping the change from happening. So there is no chemical change when there's lime juice. It's stopping the change from happening. So physical change like cutting, chemical change like the fire. Everyone, go ahead and circle the physical changes. Physical. There's one more. Nope. Everyone circle the third one. What's the third one?
Freezing water to make ice.
No, what's the third physical change? You've got 2 of them. What's the third physical change?
Mixing to make a new color.
Yes, there we go. Okay, can I please have Lily? Lily, can you read the 3 physical changes for me? Remember, which one? We want the changes that are reversible, changing shape, size, or changing state of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. So which one of these are physical changes?
I'll take chocolate.
There's 2 more, Lily. Can you tell me one of them?
Freezing
There's only 3 physical changes. Let's see if someone else can help. Who can read the 3 physical changes for me? Nick.
Melting chocolate, freezing water to make ice, and frying an egg.
Is frying, once you cook an egg, can you make it a raw egg again? Is that reversible?
No,
No, so is that a physical change?
no.
No. Who knows the third one? Tiger and Dragon, do you know the third one? Perry?
Mixing paint to make a new color.
Very good, excellent. Remember, mixing is also a physical change. Everyone read this. Very good, 1 minute. Physical change, a change in size or shape we can see with this paper. Matter, solid liquid to gas, so ice melting or ice cream freezing. And I will add here mixing. Mixing is still a physical change. If something is soluble, so the sugar disappears in the water, it is soluble. The sugar is still sugar. It's still there, it's just a liquid. It's mixed. So this is a physical change. The matter does not change. So mixing paint, all the colors are still there. They're just mixed together. They haven't changed to a different type of matter. It's just a physical change, okay? Observe. Compare physical changes on my balance. So, you're going to observe my balance. Let's take a look. Here is my balance. As you can see, right now, both sides are equal because they're both empty. All right? Now, I have 2 pieces of paper here. Everyone, are they the same or are they different?
The same. The same. The same.
Very good. Now, what are some ways I can change this piece of paper? Physical changes. What are some physical changes I could make? Casper, go ahead and tell me one.
Scrunch it.
Crunch it. Very good. Another one. Tom, what else can I do to this paper?
You can cut it.
I can cut it. Excellent. Anyone else have another word? Cut, tear, put in the water. Jack also said cut. Very good. Okay. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to first tear it. Now I'm going to scrunch it, and I'll this piece. Okay. I'll put these on this side of the scale. And as you can see, it's now going that way. All right, now this piece of paper, I will put in the scale. And let's take a look. The mass is the same or different? Everybody, is the mass the same?
The same. Same. The same.
Very good.
White.
Who can tell me, is it the same amount of matter or different amounts of matter?
Same.
Let's raise hands for this one because I want a full sentence. Ben, do these 2 papers have the same amount of matter or different amounts of matter?
They have the same amount of.
Very good. They have the same amount of matter. So this is just a physical change. There's still paper and there's still the same amount of matter. Any questions about the balance or about physical changes?
Question: why you cut one part of the left papers? So why is still the same matter?
Because it's still paper, the matter has not changed. Even though it's now 2 pieces instead of 1 piece, it's still paper. It's still the same amount of paper, the same mass, the same volume. It's just 2 pieces instead of 1 piece. All right, if I burn it, it's completely different kind of matter. Any other questions?
If we burn the paper, what is the state of matter? Is the burnt paper?
It would still be a solid. Some of it would turn into smoke, and the rest of the paper is solid ash. But the molecules, the little things that make paper, change. They break, they turn into ash. All right, chemical change. When matter changes into different matter. For example, uncooked becomes cooked. Normal becomes black, burnt. Like when we burn paper with fire.
Burn marshmallow.
Yes, good memory, Potato. So I would like everyone to read this last sentence, okay? When matter goes through a chemical change, it's not easy to change back. Go ahead and read the last sentence.
It becomes a new kind of matter with
Excellent. Now, I will say we only have time for 1 round, not 2. So, not everyone will get a turn. All right? Because we only have time for 1. We have a quizzes as well, but not everyone will get a turn. So, team 1.
Alex, Tony, Potato, Harry, Jack, John, Leo, Lily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lion, Ben, 9, 10, Mia, 11.
All right, next group, team O.
Casper, you're lucky I checked, Robert, or you would have got left behind. Panda, Nick, Robert, Riku, Susie, Thomas, Tiger, Tom, Twin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 more, Cats. Robin, you forgot me.
Okay. Remember, not everyone will get a turn. So, from Team X, let's see. Let's start with John. John, please pick one of these to read, and then say if it's a physical or chemical change.
Matter is a chemical change.
Very good. Team X. All right, Team O, I want to pick. Start with Riku. Go ahead, Riku. Pick one, and is it a physical or chemical change?
Sliced bread. Physical change.
Very good. Okay, next Team X. Potato. Potato from Team X.
Melting ice.
Potato, is melting ice a chemical or a physical change?
Physical.
Very good. Sorry, Potato. How about Team O? Thomas, you've had great behavior today. Thomas, go ahead and pick yours.
I choose frying an egg.
And is that chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Very nice. Okay, Team X, let's hear from Lion. Lion, go ahead and pick yours, and is it chemical or physical?
Physical.
Which one?
Breaking a window.
All right, next one. Tom.
Crushing a soda can.
All right, is crushing a soda can chemical or physical?
Physical change.
All right, next one. Team X, I want to hear from Jack. Go ahead, Jack.
Exploding firework.
Chemical or physical?
Is chemical.
All right, and not last one, Team O. Let's hear from Casper. Go ahead, Casper.
Using batteries.
Chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Very good. And with that, Team O wins.
Yay!
Everyone on Team O will get a point. not just those who answered. So good job, everyone on Team O. Okay, we're skipping this one and this. Quizzes, go ahead and join. Go to joinmyquiz.com and put in 602368. Okay? Go ahead, you have 5 minutes. Do as many as you can. Fast, fast, fast.
As many as you can in 5 minutes. Fast. You can unmute if you want. Morning Owls just jumped up to first. Royal Rat jumped up to second. You have 4 more minutes. I'm going to do some cooking after this, so I'm going to go get ready for the cooking. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Do as many as you can. 29. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, 3rd place, Morning Owls. 2nd place, Royal Rats. 1st place, good job, John, Pony, Hi Long, Robert, and Tom. I think that's Potato. Very good. I took a screenshot, so I'll give you all points on Class Dojo. Now, today we review chemical and physical changes. Your homework is to make a video about chemical and physical changes by cooking. So you'll make a video of you cooking anything you want and show the chemical and physical changes. And your other homework is a quiz to review mass and volume. This is your quiz code. We are going to do some cooking together. So this is going to be an example of your homework. So make sure you pay close attention. Your homework is to cook and talk about chemical and physical changes. So here's the example. Ready? Hello everybody, my name is Miss Miranda and today we will be cooking breakfast. All right, I will be making bacon and eggs. All right, so we will be talking about the physical and chemical changes of matter on today's episode of Cooking with Miss Miranda. Let's take a look at what we have here. I don't have my mom or dad to videotape for me, so you guys will have to, my video won't be as good as yours, okay? So here I have an egg and bacon. As you can see, the bacon has a lot of fat and raw meat. Here, the bacon is cooking. When the bacon cooks, it is a chemical change. The bacon turns from raw bacon to cooked bacon. This is irreversible. And the fat of the bacon turns into a liquid. The fat of the bacon turns into a liquid. The fat turns into oil. So the oil in this pan came from solid bacon and is now taking the shape of the pan. So here is the bacon before, here is the bacon after. This is a chemical change. It is irreversible. Now I'm going to cook with the egg. The egg shell is solid. It is smooth texture and it is hard. Inside there is a liquid that takes the shape of the egg. The first step is a physical change. I will break the eggshell. The eggshell is broken. This is a physical change. It's still an eggshell. The liquid inside has now taken the shape of the bowl. I will add a little bit of garlic salt. And here, this is pepper. This pepper is made of big peppercorns. And when I twist the top, it breaks the peppercorns. That is a physical change. The peppercorns are breaking, but it is still pepper. It is just smaller pieces. Now I will add just a little bit of milk. All right. I am now mixing my egg and milk, pepper, and garlic salt. Mixing is also a physical change because the egg is still egg, the pepper is still pepper. It's just mixed together. All of the matter is still the same. Take this egg and put it in the pan. I am using the liquid oil from the bacon to help it cook. Let's observe this egg while it cooks. First, it was a liquid. Now we can see it's turning into a solid. Here, it is cooked now, but this change in state of matter is a chemical change because raw egg is different matter than a cooked egg. The matter has changed. And this chemical change helps to kill any bacteria in the egg so that it's safe to eat. I'll turn off my heat and pour my egg onto the plate. All right, here is my breakfast made from physical changes like breaking the egg, breaking the pepper, mixing, and chemical changes like cooking. And I can feel heat, so I know that's a clue that a chemical change happened. Thank you for watching Miss Miranda's cooking show. I hope you enjoyed. All right, guys, and that is all. So that's exactly what I want for your homework. Of course, your face should also be in it, but since I had to hold my phone myself, I couldn't do that, which is okay.
Bye, Miss Miranda.
Bye, everybody. I'll see you on Monday. I can't wait to see what you cook. Yummy, yummy.
Bye-bye.